So we are now here in our garden. So here is my potato. They started to turn to yellow. I don't know what happened, but yes, it's a pink spin there. It's a hedgehog. This is the flower of potato. So here, sooner they are ready. Wait, it's amazing. There's an egg. There's something. Maybe this is the turn to flower, but did not manage to turn to flower. Well, this is the ribs bar that we pick. Oh, wait, here's the white ribs. It's the white currants here. Still, there's have white currants here. Agapad, you want to eat it? So white currants. The white currants here. It's inside. Okay. So where is the pink spin? So we will continue here to extend our chicken coop. Yeah, that's what I saw it. Yeah. So we're thinking, how should we do? You see that? You see the tomato? It's growing very well because here it's very good soil. Here is very good soil. You see the tomato? I think they will bear fruit. Smart. Make it faster tomato before it colds. And this is, what is this? Nettles? Stinging nettles. So we'll continue to work here. This is Christmas tree. It's a grand tree. This is very good smell. Yes? Did you enjoy eating that white currants? Agapa? Okay. This is the white currants. Did not fruitful very much this year. I don't know what happened, why they did not have more fruit this year. But this is how it looks, the bushes. And the fruit, the white currants is here. You can take it then. It's very beautiful. They are white yellow kind. It's here also. This is a beautiful. Okay, so I will just eat this because not so much here, but still have inside there. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, they go there. My husband checked the area extension, how to do it. That chicken house extension. The garden started to dye all the plants now because it's getting colder. Little, slowly. Later I will get the eggs because I did not get the eggs yesterday because the hens, they are inside the nest. So this day I will get that eggs. So I'll take the eggs later. So the hens is inside there. You see the hens there inside. There is the hens. So chicken is chicken. So they always crawling. Yes, this is a plum tree. It's a plum tree. We need to cut this plum tree next year because it's not good to make it bigger. It can shadow to the fruits. There's berries. So much work here in our extension chicken house. This is the tomato. I am thinking to get soil here. It's very good soil if I will plant something. Get soil here. It's very beautiful, the grand tree. We are now again in our garden, and you see that's a blueberry. Started to bloom now. So I guess the bird is the first will eat it because we haven't net yet. Here. So they are growing very well now. These blueberries, American blueberry, they are a bigger one. You see how beautiful this flower. It's very nice.